Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a new video to do for y'all. We have the Muslogy Ford Maverick mud flaps that we're going to be doing a review and install on. So here is the box, and let's go ahead and begin the video. So here's the box I got from Muslogy. Comes with two sets. We got a front and a back. And we also have these like felt kind of double-sided tape right here that you can put on the inside of the mud flap to prevent it from scratching your paint once you get this thing on. So right out the box, you get this pretty strong smell. Yeah, I would recommend opening this box inside your garage or something. And they did also provide some of these screws and I guess clips in case you don't want to use the factory ones off your truck. These seem to be pretty durable. Yeah, they look pretty good. I've never had mud flaps before, but yeah, I think it'll work. So let's go ahead and get these on the truck. So to begin the installation process, I'm at the back wheel right now. You have these two clips right here that just kind of pop off. And then you have these two bolts that need to come off as well. So let's go ahead and get the number 7 socket and a flathead screwdriver to pop off these two. Alright guys, so I got my socket and ratchet. It's a 7mm. So what you want to do is come over here and take off the two bolts at the bottom. Pretty simple to do. Set those down. Get your screwdriver, come over here, and just kind of pry this off. Like so. Got it. Here they are. So the bigger one's gonna go in the back. And just before I get this installed, it's kind of dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off and kind of clean it up a bit. I was initially gonna wash my truck before I did this install, but the weather outside has been raining a lot. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this washed off real quick. Alright, so now I'm going to install this strip on the inside edge of the mud flap before I do the install. So let's go ahead and get that on. Just going to peel this off and put it on the inside like so. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I made a mistake. A fellow subscriber made it known that I had put the tape on wrong on the mud flaps, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you where to put it so y'all don't make the same mistake. Alright, so initially I had to put this tape on the inside like this. Well, but what you want to do is you want to put it right here along the edge where the plastic is going to be touching the paint of the truck. So just go ahead and put that on. just like that. You don't want to put it on the inside edge right here. You want to put it right here, along here, all the way down. That way when you put it, the tape is right here, and this goes on just like this. So yeah guys, sorry about that, and let's move on with the video. So without further ado, let's get this on. Go ahead and grab the 2 bolts that go on the bottom. Screw that in to get it started. I'm just going to go ahead and use the ones that they provided us with. And put the screws in. And tighten it down. And there she is. All right, now we're at the front of the vehicle. We're gonna need to pop off 1 tab, 2 tab, and 3 tabs. That one off. That one off. Go ahead and take your mud flap, place it on like so. I don't know if these are gonna fit. I guess they do. Pop that one on. Place this one on inside. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side on and then show you all the finished result. All right guys, so I just finished and here's the end result right here. Pretty simple install. Here's the front one. I think the hardest part was getting on that double-sided tape. Here's the left side. And the back right here. Here's a view from the back. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel for some more content. Yeah, I'll be doing a wheel and tire cleaner up next from Adams. So first time using that stuff, so I'm pretty stoked about using it. And yeah guys, until next time, peace.